Let me teach you how to make these amazing semi heels for ladies. In just 7 minutes of this video, you'll be learning how I get to wrap and bring out these amazing semi heels. Okay, so all you have to do is just pay attention to everything I'll be doing in this video. Okay, pay attention because you will learn something new for yourself. Yes, of course you will. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, copy the link. Also ask your questions using the comment section. For the sake of this video, you can reach out to me 090-3553-9885. You can also add my country code to it if you're outside Nigeria, plus 234 9035 539 If you have your questions, you can reach out to me using that line as my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. Now let's start it. Now you have to place your floor, trace it round on the material you'll be using to wrap this floor pattern. Alright, you have to trace, then rub your gum, allow it to dry, and place your faceless, then cut it out. Make sure you're cutting and giving a space for wrapping. Your space for wrapping could be 2 centimeters away from your floor. Alright, this will enable you to wrap very well. Then rub your gum round it on the material. Then you have to rub your gum on the fiber also. Rub your gum on the fiber carefully. Make sure you subscribe, please subscribe. And after drying, you have to fold it. Now you have to mark your heels. Now you have to mark your heels so you don't get confused. Okay, mark them carefully, marked. So I'm wrapping now. You get to wrap round, then cover up, twist it to get a perfect or a neat folding. All right. Once you're done wrapping, you have to scrape. You scrape with your filing machine. Make sure you scrape very well and neatly. Alright, carefully, neatly, to avoid scratches. Once you're done, you take the measurements of the wideness of your heel, so you can get something to wrap it up. You're still using same material to wrap your heel. Alright, take measurements, something that will wrap around your heel. Alright, you have to take it and take the length also, that will be able to cover up. Cut it out. You're making two, your left and right, don't forget. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Ask your questions if you have a question to ask. If you love to reach out to me using my WhatsApp number. You have to rub your gum. Carefully rub your gum. On the material and also on the heel before you wrap the heel. Right? That's what I'm doing. Allow for drying, then you wrap. Watch out. Then you're starting your wrapping from the inside. Alright, the inside. You wrap carefully. You have to cover up. Good. Now I have to bury my sole inside of the heel. So watch carefully. Watch carefully what you'll be doing here. You're turning it over. You open your heel to bury your sole. Alright. So once you place your sole, now you have to bury with the material. So you have to scrape that side out first. Now you rub your gum and place your sole on it. Watch. Right. Placing my sole. So after that, you have to rub your gum again. Look at it. Now you wrap to bury the sole inside. Now this will give you a neat finishing. This will help you to have a neat finishing when you're doing semi heels like this. Right. Once you're done wrapping it up, you scrape. Carefully with your scraping machine or your filing machine. Then after that, you place your heel cap. Right, that is my heel cap. Rub your gum carefully and place your heel cap. Right. Seal it up. Then our sole is ready. All what's remaining now is for you to get your top done, last it, and you have a beautiful shoe already. Thanks for watching. God bless you.